Hi folks, it's Richard Joe, certified CXL optimizer, and I just got back from a short round of jiu-jitsu. Did 3 rounds tonight, got my ass totally beaten by my instructor and someone else who was like 2 times heavier than me, but I'm feeling good. And anyway, today's video is about how winning in CRO is pretty much like winning in jiu-jitsu. Now, with jiu-jitsu, I only go twice a week. And I've been told the optimal sweet spot for people who have jobs and a life is 3 times a week. And so the thing is, when you're only going twice a week, you've really got to focus very intently on the quality per session. So I typically go on a Tuesday and a Thursday. And, before I go in, I typically will watch a few instructional videos just to get into the mindset and mood and just frame myself before I go into the class, and also for skill acquisition. And, when you're only going twice a week, you've got to really increase the quality per session compared to, say, 3 or 4 times a week, where you maybe can get away with having a 10% lower quality of session, or being very intent on learning and actually absorbing the class and skill acquisition, as and instead of just sort of going for the motions and just getting for the class, just said you did your jiu-jitsu. And the thing with winning in jiu-jitsu, it's really about frequency times quality. And that's the same thing with CRO. If you do 1 test per month, then you've really got to put a lot of effort into the quality of your tests. And that's really putting the effort into, the 80-20 of that is really doing a lot of research into solving the actual problem, and, not having a solution, trying to find a problem sort of thing, which can always happen. And the reason why I'm telling you this is that, whether you're doing 2 or 3 tests per month or 1 per month, the formula is basically frequency times chance or quality equals number of winning tests per month. So find that sweet spot between your winning tests and your quality, and that's, extrapolate it over 12 months, and that's how many winning tests you have. Thanks. Bye.